He's moved house from Benidorm to Saydo, Manhattan. He is the one, he's so much fun. Anthony Pate, welcome home. Let's go to Saydo, Manhattan, with caravans in the sun. Let's live it up or chill, there's sunshine and wine and a pool to swim in. Saydo, Manhattan is the place to be, with all the residents, Fernando and Anthony. Let's go to Saydo, Manhattan. Let's relax and enjoy the sun. Every day a holiday, a perfect life for everyone. He's moved house from Benidorm to Saydo, Manhattan. He is the one, he's so much fun. Anthony Pate, welcome home. Let's go to Saydo, Manhattan, with caravans in the sun. Let's live it up or chill,